Alrighty. Anybody know anybody over there that's super clean? And I'm going to use the original here. But here we go. We'll spray and then spray. Alright. This old motor's burnt snap up. Any better? That looks so much better. Alright, no black. Enjoyed watching the old man sit down and pressure wash, and we'll get this thing all cleaned up. We'll get the motor out of it, torn down. We'll see what it needs, and we'll try to carry you along on the journey with us. And we appreciate you dropping by Maxs Garaj Mahal, and we appreciate it if you give us a like. If you hadn't already, please subscribe and share these videos if you would. And we appreciate all of our MGM mob for joining us on these journeys, and maybe we'll get you all out here one at a time, let you take this thing for a spin. So as we always say at Maxs Garaj Mahal, y'all come back, see us now, yeah?